Good morning, you guys.
Morning.
Sun is hot. So we had a long day yesterday. We enjoyed the zoo though, I must say. So today hubby have important appointments in this city. So today's take your wife and child to work day. No, I'm kidding. We're just gonna hang around town until baby's finished with his appointment. Hello. You're awake. You're awake, baby. You awake and you don't see Papa, huh? You awake and no Papa? He's just waking up from his nap. We've reached my husband's appointment. So I was just here sitting and waiting for Tella to wake up. And he's now awake. He's awake and looking at me like, Mommy, where's my daddy? Hey, baby. Look at him. Look at him. Just look at him. You're awake. You want to show the peeps what you got at the zoo yesterday? Show the peeps your pretty giraffe you got at the zoo yesterday. He got this pretty one yesterday. You like it? Yeah? He loved the giraffes, so we got him a giraffe at the zoo. Dee 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 dee. Dee dee dee. Dee 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 dee. Dee 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 dee. Dee 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 dee. You like your giraffe we got you yesterday? Hmm? He's just waking up. Sweet boy. Okay, you guys, so Taylor and I is just going to stroll around this city until my husband gets back from his appointment. It doesn't look so bright outside. It looks like it's going to rain. It really does look like it's going to rain. It looks a bit cloudy. Oh, you're still tired, aren't you? This city is a very big city in this side of France, and it's our first time here. It's our first time here, so we're just going to look around until hubby gets back. We're going to have lunch. Hopefully I can get me some KFC. Don't judge me, y'all. I don't have KFC very often because the city that we live in, there is no KFC. And the KFC in France tastes just like the KFC in Jamaica. Oh my God. That is heaven to me. So whenever I go to another city and I can get KFC, I sure do get me some KFC. You wanna say hi to everybody? That's how you say hi to everybody? Yes. There you have it. He said hi, y'all. So we're gonna just get our strollers ready and hang around until hubby gets back. We're just gonna keep walking. I think there's a cathedral somewhere close because I keep hearing the bell. So I'm gonna keep walking and try to see if I can find exactly where it is. Hubby's back from his appointment and we're having lunch. So that's what the hubby's having. That's what I'm having. And Tyler's over here eating his pasta. Tyler. There's too much in your mouth, Papa. You guys, lunch was good, but it was too much food. I couldn't finish, and so could babe. We're going to try and find the cathedral now, and then we're gonna go home. If you're wondering, baby's all decked out and looking cute because he just got back from his appointment. So we're going to find the cathedral and then we're gonna head home. The walk to the cathedral is terrifying. I'm tired, but we're almost there. I don't know if you guys can see. It is this building right here. So baby's pushing Tyler because I'm tired. The thing is that whenever we visit a new city, we always like to visit the cathedrals because they are so pretty. They're so beautiful inside. I'm gonna show you how beautiful it looks on the inside when we get there. All right, so I'll show you in a minute. Okay, you guys, we're almost there. It's this building right, where's my finger? Right here. That's where we're going. So we're almost there, and inside is magic. You're gonna see. Up, 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 up. Yeah. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Let's go check out inside. Okay, you guys, are going in, but you have to be very quiet. Very quiet. Be very quiet. These churches are the most beautiful things I've ever seen. I enjoy going to visit them every time. Look at that artwork up there. These churches are so old. They're older than me and you and our great-great-grandparents. Look, look, We won't be able to stay too long because we have to go and get our car and leave the parking because we pay for parking and we can't stay too long. We pay for parking and our parking is up in 30 minutes. So we have to go soon. Look at this, guys. These are the windows. Well, I guess that's what they're called. How beautiful is that? Oh. Babe's taking pictures. Okay, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed our little cathedral clip. So you guys, this is the end of our tour and our little few days getaway. So I hope you guys enjoy our vlog. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you have watched this far and you haven't subscribed. Subscribe to our channel, like our videos, leave comments and thumbs up so we can talk to you guys. Hope you guys enjoy and we'll see you in our next vlog. Bye.